Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add yellow circle of your mouse cursor. So if you want to add yellow circle of your mouse cursor, at first you have to download yellow spot. So you can easily download it from my video description. Okay, so I'm using Windows 11, so for that you have to go setting. Okay, then you have to search from here mouse setting. Okay, click on mouse setting. Yeah, so from here you have to click on additional mouse setting. Okay, I'm gonna click on it. Okay, so from here you have to go pointer, then click on browse. Okay, click on desktop, click on yellow spot, click on open, click on apply. So as you can see, my mouse cursor showing yellow circle. Okay, so click on OK here. So this is very easy. Following my instruction, you can easily add yellow circle of your mouse cursor. So thank you for watching my video.